Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna try products from Thailand. And we're gonna talk something fishy. So there you go. This is empty because I cooked them. That's why it's in here. Anyway, so we're talking about fishes and shrimp paste as well. So today we're gonna try the dried fish, this one here, which is from Thailand. And this one is only £2.40 in Queensway in Oriental Shop. And it has everything that you need. It says in there, anchovy headless. There you go. And it says as well, 100 grams. And you can see the nutritional information at the back in English, where it's exported is that as well. And of course, it says as well there, the best before date, which is very important. There you go. And that's the packaging. So you'll notice I have here a plate, because what I did is I recreate what my mom used to make when we were little. But that one I think is a different. They call it dilis in the Philippines. And this one is anchovy. So what I did is I tried what I remember how she made it. So what I did is I cooked it in a pan of oil. I put this fish, this one, I empty it into the pan with oil, and then I put the fish first and fry it until it's cooked. And then I put a bit of lemon to remove the fish in it, and so it's not too salty. So that's what I did. And I put as well sugar until it's all coated, and fry them until it's all covered with sugar. So that's what I did. I know it's not looks very appetizing, but I'm telling you, it's good enough. And this is my first time, so bear with me. But anyway, like what I said, I just recreate that. In the Philippines, they get this, I think, in the street food, and they eat it with rice, together with the rice, and a bit of vinegar on the side. That's how they eat it. And you can have them as well in a snack, like a snack. So anyway, so we're gonna try it. See, it doesn't look appetizing, I'm telling you, but it tastes good because I tried it already. So anyway, we're gonna get one in there. It's a bit hard because of the sugar. So there's a little there. That's hard. Well, you can hear the sugar. It's crunchy. But there's another one there, but they're really nice. They're not very salty because of the sweetness of the sugar. And as well, put a bit of pepper as well. And at the same time, I put a lemon as well. So it doesn't really, it's not too fishy and salty. That's what I should say. Very nice. That's actually good. Very nice. That's really good for the first time, I should say. That is a good fish. I know the one that they do in the Philippines is called the dilis, but this is anchovies and this is headless, but they're the same taste. Good enough. There you go. So what I can do later on is I'm going to put them in a container, and then I can just eat them whenever I want, like a snack, or if I want to eat it for lunch. So that's the thing about that. And for the price, I should say, is really good. So with this one, with 5-star, I'm going to give it 4 because it's really good, and I highly recommend this one. And another one. Cheers. Water. And another one, we're going to have to try this one. This is a fish skewer as well from Thailand. I love this one. I tried this and I bought this how many times already. Once you open them, I just can't stop it. And they have 2 different flavors. One is a spicy and this one is only a normal skewer. You will see the spicy one is because there's a spices throwing in there. And this one is only, you see, skewer. But anyway, it has all the information that you need. It's all in English as well. It's in there. This is made of Actually, this is made of a lizard fish, tapioca starch, wheat, flour, sugar, chili salt, and sweetener. This one. So basically, the taste of this one is a bit salty and spicy and sweet. So that's, I should describe it. And the only thing about this one is, it says in there, you see, 20 pieces, right? I think it says 20 sticks. But when I count them, they're not even 20. They're only 17. So that's the only thing I don't like about this one, because it's a false information with that one. So they're saying it's 20, so you're gonna buy it, and then when you open it's only 17, and you pay for that, and you thought, oh well, it's a good price for 20, and yet they're not. But other than that, they're really good for snack, and they're not very fishy, because I remember I ate them before, and I asked my boyfriend, can you smell it? And he said no. So they're really good. You can take them anywhere with you if you only want to have it for a snack, or you have it for your lunch break. You know, it's really good and handy, and they're not heavy. They're really handy. So we're gonna try one, and I'll show what it's like. Okay. So when you open it, sorry, you see as well. Sorry, I forgot to say that. When the date as well, the best before is in front, so which is very important. So anyway, when you open it, it goes like this. See, they're like a skewer, and they're very small fish, very thin, like that. You see it? Very thin slice, and smells fishy, but not very fishy. It's tolerable, I should say. And they're sweet and spicy and a bit of saltiness. That's the best way to describe it. And they're very thin. You know what it reminds me of this one? It reminds me of the dilis. No, sorry, the dilis. That is the dilis. No, I'm meaning the pusit. They're like small squid that they fried, and they put it in a stick. You can buy them in the Philippines, and I remember when I was young, they're like in small skewers as well. And that reminds me of this one, to be honest, but they're not the same. This is, like what I said, this is salty, spicy, and a bit of sweetness in it. So it goes like that. So what I normally do is I push them there at the bottom. See? And then I'll show you first what it's like. See, it's like a paper. But they're not paper, they're meat. Fish. Yeah, they're nice. See? And what I normally do is I go like that. And then I just pull it and then eat it. Very nice. And then you can that is spicy. Very good. Although it doesn't say it's spicy in this one, but there's a bit of cake. That's why I felt like I was coughing. It's because it's a bit spicy as well. That's why you can imagine if you get the spicy one, which I had before, very, very spicy. That's why if you're not into really spicy, you can try this one. There's a bit of cake, but it's tolerable. And this one, you can get this for £1.25 in other Oriental shop in Queensway, London. But I remember we bought one as well in the shop in Manchester, which is only 98 pence. So it really depends which shop you're going. But anyway, next time I'm gonna make a separate video where those Oriental shops that I go, and I'll take you with me so you can see where I buy them. Okay, so that one, for 5-star, give this a 5 because it's really my favorite. They're really good, so I highly recommend that one. So better try it and let me know what you think about it. And another thing here, we have a shrimp paste. See? Can you see it? Yeah. A shrimp paste from Thailand. I was actually intrigued with this one because it comes in a very nice packaging. It comes like this. So if you're really not reading it, which says the shrimp paste, you'll think, is it a face cream because it's so nice packaging? But no, it's a shrimp paste. And it has all the nutritional information there as well. And you have here as well all the ingredients, all written in English there. And of course in the front is a mixture of an English writing and Thailand writing. And it has the best before in the front. And then when you open it, it's actually very sealed when I bought this one. So when you open it, it comes with this one. Different, isn't it? It's like in a vacuum pack, like that. And that's how it looks like, the shrimp paste. And you see, they're like chocolate, but they smell very fishy. There you go. So it comes in like a vacuum pack like that. And it's all squeezed in there. So we're gonna try this as well. I'm not really looking forward to this, but we're gonna try anyway. So we'll see. We'll try a bit. That is salty. Very salty. Ugh, I don't know. I don't think I like it. But maybe if you put this in, if you have any menu that requires shrimp paste, I think this will be good. Because maybe for me, I'm not really a salty person. We don't even use salt in our food because of my health. So for me, this is really very salty. But I know that you're not supposed to eat it just on its own, because there are some dishes that you can actually cook with shrimp paste. So maybe you should try that. And I think this will be good. I'm not saying that it's not good, okay? It's just that for me, it's just very salty. And maybe if I find a menu that I can cook it with, maybe I'll like them as well. So who knows? Anyway, this one is only £1. This one. And like what I said, it's nice packaging. See? It's like a face cream. See? It's nice and pink. Nice and pink packaging. Nice container. But until you see the shrimp paste in there. There you go. Shrimp paste. But yeah, so that's what we have for today. And like what I said, this one is only £1. You can get them as well in a big bottle, but because it's my first time, so I just get a small one. But next time I'll try the other brands, which is like from the Philippines, and I'll let you know what it's like. Yeah, so this is our product for today. Something fishy for today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, and please subscribe, and please comment down below if any other food or snacks around the world that you want me to try, and I'll try to get them and I'll try them. And yeah, so have a good day, and I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Bye. Thanks. Bye.